everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. In this video, we're going to use yellow peaches to make peach glazed tofu that is sweet, tangy, and delicious. Start with a 16-ounce firm tofu block. Soft tofu will not work, so be sure to use either firm or extra firm tofu. Pat dry the tofu block with paper towels before cutting into 32 pieces. Pat dry the tofu cubes again with paper towels. We will pan fry these tofu cubes later. The drier they are, the easier it will be to pan fry them. I use a lot of black pepper to flavor the tofu. You can skip it if you want. If you do, the dish will not have that black peppery taste, but it will still be delicious. Now coat the tofu cubes with cornstarch. The cornstarch helps absorb moisture, which will help the tofu to have a crispier texture on the outside. To get all the tofu pieces coated evenly with the cornstarch, I divided the cornstarch and tossed the tofu in a bowl 3 times. You don't need to do it multiple times if you use a larger bowl. Set the tofu cubes aside after they are well coated with the black pepper and cornstarch. And let's go make our peach sauce now. Here are 2 very ripe yellow peaches that are peeled and sliced. The riper the peaches, the easier it is to puree them, and less added sweetener is needed. Puree the peaches until they're liquefied. Then mix with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and honey. Adjust the amount of honey depending on the sweetness of the peaches and your preference. Add some vegetable oil in a non-stick frying pan on medium-high heat to brown the tofu cubes, about 3 minutes on each side. I did it in 2 batches because I didn't want the tofu pieces touching each other so they can brown evenly, and also gives me enough space when I flip the tofu. After all the tofu cubes are browned, turn the stove down to medium heat and add the peach sauce. Slowly cook down this peach puree and make sure all the tofu cubes are well coated with the sauce. This takes about 2 minutes on my stove. You know, I wish we can smell the deliciousness and taste this sweet and tangy peach glazed tofu together right now. Add some sliced green onions for color and flavor. These tofu cubes have that crispy texture on the outside, but still are soft inside. You know what? The leftover tofu cubes make a great tofu salad too. What a great way to use your ripe peaches to make something different and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and will subscribe to my channel. Happy eating and see you next time.